Shield Penny, the year 2018D. Okay, I have some information here. Let's read the information. I will read the information. Okay. Here we go. 2018 D penny value. The 2018 D penny was struck at the Denver Mint and it carries a little D mint letter underneath the date signifying this. The Denver Mint struck 3,736,400,000 pennies in 2018. Therefore, these coins are extremely common. If you find a 2018 D penny with no mint mark and it has no sign of wear, it's worth face value of 1 cent. However, do keep your eyes out for 2018 D pennies that look like they just left the US Mint because uncirculated examples are generally worth 10 to 30 cents. The most valuable 2018 D penny was graded MS69RD by Numismatic Guarantee Company NGC and fetched $5,995.95 in a 2019 sale.